Guys, we have a function here that we put twice because we're going to solve for it in two different methods, okay? So we have function fx, which is equal to 2x minus 5 to the second power. So one way of doing this problem is to expand it first, okay? So to expand it means you're doing 2x minus 5 times 2x minus 5, okay? So when you do that, you can use the Fourier method. Okay, 2x times 2x is going to give us 4x squared. Then 2x times negative 5, that will give us negative 10x. Then you have negative 5 times 2x, that will give us another negative 10x. And then, last but not least, negative 5 times negative 5 is going to give us positive 25, correct? Then we can combine like terms in the middle. So we have 4x squared minus 20x plus 25. Okay? So this is the fx, f of x, correct? But we got to find what the derivative of it. So to find the derivative of it, that means we take this one, we find the derivative of it, right? So derivative of x squared is going to give us what? It's going to give us 2x. But the 4 is going to stay, right? Because it's going to be 4 times. Then the derivative of x squared is going to give us 2x. All right? Then derivative of negative 20x, it's only negative 20. And then plus 0 because the constant, the derivative of a constant is 0. All right? Then we got to proceed and do the calculations here. 4 times 2x is 8x, then minus 20, and this is 8. You finish with it. Okay, so this seems to be a little longer compared to the one that we're going to do now. But if you feel comfortable with this one, that is fine. However, the problem with it is that when these, when the power now becomes larger, then it becomes a problem. Okay, because then you're multiplying 2x minus 5 times 2x minus 5 times 2x minus 5 all the way, so it wouldn't work, okay? It's just going to take all your time. Now, somebody else also can do these problems here very quickly by knowing that we have the difference of two terms here and then the square of that. And then to do that, that would just be what? 2x squared, that would give you 4x squared. Then negative 5 squared, that would give you a positive 25. And then when you multiply these two, 2x times negative 5, that will give you negative 10x. Then you multiply that by 2 because of the power 2 here. Okay? So that will give you negative 20x. But in any case, you can do this. That's fine in these cases. But if you have bigger power, higher power, it's not that easy. Okay? So let's take this problem here. So we have f of x, the same one, 2x minus 5 to the second power. Okay? So we want to find the derivative of it. So what we can do is by applying the derivative of this function here, okay, so the 2 will come down, right? And then you have 2x minus 5, then 2 minus 1, okay? And then multiply that by the derivative of the function here. So times 2. Okay? So times 2. So definitely because the derivative of 2x minus 5 is 2 only, right? Because the derivative of 5 is 0. So that's a composition of two functions. So that's a derivative of it. All right? So again, you go with the 2 down because that's the power. So 2 down, and then you have 2x minus 5 to the power 2 minus 1 because it's n minus 1. Like that one over there, okay? And then times the derivative of the function, which is inside here. So which is 2x minus 5, okay, which is 2, correct? And then you got to continue. So this one will give us 2 by 2 is 4. Then you have 2x minus 5 to the power 1, okay? Or just nothing. You don't need it. So now you have to continue. 4 times 2x is going to give you 8x. 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. And then this is a derivative of that same function. Ladies and gentlemen, this is it. Okay? Once you master this one, it's easier than that one. But if you have smaller powers, you can always stick with this one if you feel comfortable with it. All right? Good?